Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter and welcome. So under a previous Porter Robinson video, you asked me, we need more Porter Robinson tutorials. There you go. In the next couple of weeks, you can expect a bunch of Porter Robinson tutorials in Serum. So basically, I'm gonna be going through a certain presets from the latest pack, Portify, and showing you how I made them and how you can make them yourself. And for those who already bought the pack, thank you so much for supporting me. I really appreciate that. Hope you make a great music with these sounds. So we are gonna start with one of my favorite sounds with a Divinity soul lead. So basically what I have here is two MIDI tracks. One is with a preset and another one, this on the right side, is just a clean initial preset. So let's play this one. So it goes kind of like this. This is the list of presets. It is one of the presets. It's not very complex. It's all about the white noise actually. So let's turn on the white noise. The white noise changes a lot. But first of all, before we do anything, we have to copy the envelope settings. So it's kind of like a plug with a not attack set to like 0 or, you know, it's not like hitting, but it's like it has this kind of longer attack. It's basically longer attack. Let's start from basically setting this low attack. I set this to 34. We can set this to 35 to make a little difference. Okay, let's take a look at the ADSR envelopes. So basically this is attack, decay, sustain, and release, and these knobs are responsible for different things while playing melody. So attack is this first transient, you can make this kind of ease in. The decay is when you hold the button and the decay is short, you're gonna hear this kind of black sound. The sound's gonna be short, but the decay when it's long and the sustain is set to 0, it's gonna create kind of like long fading out sound. So let's just take a look what I mean by this. Yeah. So, and the release is when you just click the button and you don't hold this anymore. So, let's take a listen here. So as you can see, this note, when it's being held, it's still playing while maintaining this thing. So all we have to do is decrease the sustain. So it's kind of fading out, but it's still playing. All we have to do right now is to increase the release. Yeah, and as you can see, I used a PVM thing here. This kind of makes your sound kind of like 8-bit-ish. Basically just slides your, like squashes your waveform. Now let's use actually basic shape. It's gonna sound a little different. Yeah, it's starting to sound similar, and now what I usually do while making sounds, I give this a little bit of space, usually some hyperdimension, just to make this a little bit wider, as well as delay. I have my favorite settings, which are some bandpass filter, ping-pong delay, and the reverb. It depends. I usually tweak settings, so this usually. Yeah, and now we have to add this white noise. So yeah, we're getting closer. Also, let's decrease this a little bit and let's add some compression. And some EQ, because of this white noise, we have a lot of high end that I want to just cut. Multiband. Yeah, this is too much compression, so let's just throw this thing on the mix. Yeah, the most important thing in this sound is this envelope actually. It's really important to set this properly. So you can actually do the same thing without the sustain, but we need the sustain actually. So that's why I'm using this thing here to shape the curve of the envelope. So I could do the same thing just with the decay, but I'll have to then put the sustain to 0. Amazing. So yeah, that's it. So that's all for this video. And again, I'm really thankful to people who bought this pack. And if you want to check this pack out, I recommend just checking out the previous video, the Spotify preview pack. And this consists of 2 previews actually. The first one, which are recreated Porter Robinson tracks with these presets, and another part, which are just some of the presets playing solo. So you can see the presets. So stop doing this noise. Thanks for watching, and see ya in the next Porter Robinson or just the next video. Stop